Ako si Andrian Nobog at ito ang aking output number 1 ng midterm. Sa iyong palagay, alin ang mas mahirap sa pamumuno? Ang panatilihin ng disiplina ng sarili o ang pamunuan ang disiplina ng iba? Bakit? Well, I believe that self-discipline is the harder part of leadership. This is because everything starts within the leader themselves. There is a simple but powerful saying that how can you lead other people if you cannot even discipline yourself? The PDF that has been provided describe a good leader as someone who is calm in the middle of a crisis. This is only possible if they have a strong self-control. Leading a team is something you do on the outside, but self-discipline is a quiet battle on the inside. It means staying calm when you feel scared, being fair when you are angry, and listening when you want to talk. A leader who cannot control their own emotions will find it very hard to guide other people. Their team will not trust or respect them. Based on the PDF, it says that true leadership is courage plus heart, and self-discipline is what makes this work. It makes sure your courage is smart, not reckless. It makes sure your kindness is strong, not weak. In short, you must first learn to lead yourself. Only then you can truly lead others. That inner battle is the most difficult but also the most important part of a being leader.